24-hour general strike in Jiribam district, which was called by various civil society organizations in protest against negligence of 50-bedded hospital in Jiribam, has been suspended. The strike, which began at midnight yesterday, was called off after government issued a notification promising to upgrade the hospital to a full-fledged facility. Addressing a press meet held at the office of Jiribam today, District Hospital Monitoring Committee, Jiribam's executive member, P.H. Montessori, expressed deep concern that residents of Jiribam are forced to travel to Silchar at great expense due to the inadequate healthcare facilities and manpower at the 50-bedded government hospital in the district. She lamented that the government has ignored their long-standing demands to upgrade the hospital and has failed to appoint a qualified Chief Medical Officer, CMO. She further said if the government fails to send the CMO, Medical Superintendent MS, and other newly posted doctors within 10 days, they will be forced to impose an economic blockade in the district. Representatives from several CSOs, including the Rongmay Naga Laupang Manipur, All Manipur Bengali Students Union, and All Jiribam Pangal Women Welfare Association attended the press meet, showing their support for the cause.
District Hospital Monitoring Committee amadi atay singna tanjariba demand asi yengbiduna mari leinaba government gi side tagi health sector gi side tagi ekoi gi demand asi pibirapase yamna haraujai yamna welcome taujai tawbatabu hariba order asi thokra matung sida hariba order asi implement taw haina order amasu tholai madu kanan implement tawgadagi habda CMO sin implement taw hari hariba order si district hospital praful pleasure ama oirani aduga masi implement tawnabagi dama CMO sing da su instruction pi he aduga laibak 3 badi akoina hariba implement tawnaba akoigi graduate haibadi qualify oiba grade suba CMO se akoigi sida leite hanadagi so akoina tanduna lai district hospital oirabanina DMS mahutta MS oina so amala agani hariba post ani se akoigi Jiribam sida leite makoi leitabana maram oiraga akoina nungai jadribadi hariba order si matam chan implement tawba ngamloidra